representative of an e-waste company situated in Bangalore, and it is a Karnataka State Board Pollution Control Board authorized e-waste management company, and we are looking to sell it out for some reasons. The reason is that the owner of the company is situated in Hyderabad, and it is getting a tad bit difficult for us to manage whole operations in Bangalore. That is one of the reasons that we are looking to sell out for. Now, talking about the company has overall turnover of 1.5 crore in the last financial year, and out of that, the profit margin varies from 15 to 35% depending upon the clientele. And coming to the clientele, we have been vendors to MSRTC, that is the road transport. We collect the e-waste, and we also collect e-waste from IT corporates that have to recycle their IT products or electronic products after the end of life, as per the rules and law of the government of India. There we help them get the e-waste disposed in a very professional and by the rules manner. We have a operational unit where we have machineries that help us in disposing of the material. Plus, we also have metal extraction process from where we can extract precious metals from these electronic products. And coming back, there are two main ways to gain clientele from this in this business. One is from of your government, and the second one is from sector. The IT corporates have to recycle the IT products over a certain period of time, and for that particular reason, they get rid of the old IT products and buy new IT products. We are into IT asset management, IT asset disposal, extended producer responsibility services, and e-waste consultancy as well. And we have a team of 6 to 10 people, and this operational unit is situated in the outskirts area of Bangalore. The promoter, the actual owner, used to visit Bangalore quite often, and there are directors in the Bangalore unit who are taking care of it. But the final call has to be taken by the owner, who is in Hyderabad. So because of that, it's Hyderabad, and they are booming, and he wants to concentrate more on those business because they are much more developed ones. Plus, he's situated in Hyderabad, so it will be very difficult for him to move to Bangalore for a business. One of the major USP of the company is that it is 100% operational. It has been certified by the Karnataka State Pollution Board. Plus, it has a license to recycle around 300 metric ton per year, which gives you a huge advantage when compared to other e-waste recyclers. And just for your knowledge, I would like to tell you that in the whole of India, there are around 309 e-waste recyclers, including dismantlers, whereas we are recyclers as well as dismantlers. And on an average, it comes to around 10 to 15 approximately e-waste recyclers or e-waste management recyclers per state, which is way too less compared to the e-waste produced by India on annual basis. So there's a huge scope. The only problem that we are not able to do it is because of the destination